Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Crack UPSC CSE optional channel. So this channel is one-stop solution for all the optionals, and today I'm going to talk about some very interesting concept. Yes, and this is going to be answer for many of your questions. Fine. Yes, today I'm going to discuss why anthropology. Very simple the topic is, but it will help you in deciding many things. Fine. Next. So for this, I would like to thank India's largest learning platform, An Academy, because we know that very well. They give us n number of benefits like daily live classes, live test and quizzes, structured courses, and unlimited access. And one important thing is like in the live class, you are going to be sitting with people almost 600,000 more than that, but you won't feel like you are in a crowd which who is unnoticed. No, you will have your attention over there. That is the speciality of An Academy. You can ask your doubts without any hesitation, and you will get that information what you want. That is the success here. And we have live test and quizzes and unlimited access. Like you can watch a video, live video, which is going to be recorded, so you can watch that video n number of times. It's not like I went to a class, I missed that class, how can I watch that class? Or that particular topic I did not understand, I want to live in that moment again so that I understand that particular topic again. Do not worry, we got your back. Okay, so next, about me, I am Subha Kirtana. So I'm basically an engineer, and I have 4 years of teaching in terms of both civil services and Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission, and I have mentored more than 1,000 students. Yes, I have an opportunity of meeting, many learners on the Zen Academy platform, and now I'm proud to say that I have mentored more than 1,000 students, and I'm an anthropology faculty. So you now would have understood why I chose this topic, why anthropology, and I have teaching experience in NEET also. Fine, this is my Telegram channel's link, and the one in the red is the link for my Unacademy platform's profile. So just go to my profile, follow me, and search for these special classes, especially people who are giving your attempt this year or next year, anytime. Just go and watch how we are all solving MCQs. You know, the prelims, this is based on preliminary examination. I'm giving you the strategy how to approach those questions. Yes, preliminary examination is more about decision making. There you will get that strategy in all my special classes. They are all free. You can just go and watch anytime. Okay, just go to my profile in the Unacademy platform, search for Subha Kirtana, and you can go to my profile and search for the classes over there. And here you have the opportunity to interact with 100 plus top educators, and also the syllabus, the comprehensive form of syllabus is covered so that you can meet the demands of UPSC. Okay, and here is iconic. What is iconic? The term itself is saying that it's really iconic. How? See, when you are starting your attempt, the first attempt, you are new to this examination, or you have written once or twice, but you're not very sure about what is lagging in you. Then it means you need a personal attention that you can get in iconic actually. Because you have a personal coach, personalized feedback, study planner, daily mains answer writing session, because that is the best strategy. Okay, you have to start both prelims and mains. You have both this prelims and mains here in the iconic, so that when you are coming to the preliminary exam, you are actually ready for mains also. So even the gap between prelims and mains is short, you can actually give that a best shot, give that examination the best shot. You clear in the first attempt and you reach places in your service, because the service time for you is actually good, because if you clear in first attempt, you have a very good number of service years. And here you also got no cost EMI for 12 months and 24 months of iconic. Along with it, I'm giving you a gift, SUBA Subha. You use this code, you get a 10% of discount in your subscription fee. Yes, and along with that, there is also iconic here. In iconic, you have this live classes, test series, unlimited practice and structured schedule also. So along with this, you have the extra benefits of, personal coach, daily mains answer writing session, study planner, personalized feedback, etc. For both plus and iconic, you can use my code SUBA, which is you get a 10% of offer. And I told you about my special classes. Please do watch my special classes. It will be so helpful. See, you are going to attempt MCQs. I'm also going to share the leaderboards where you are standing in the preparation process, which will help you to understand yourself better. Okay, so that's very good, right? So please do go and watch my special classes. It's free, it's recorded also. Do not think that you have missed. You can come to my classes daily at 10 a.m. in the morning, and when you join my Telegram channel, you will get the daily notifications also. Fine. So going into this, why anthropology? See, very interesting, right? Colorful, interesting. Subject is also like that, guys. It's very interesting, colorful, everything. We'll go into this. Why you should choose anthropology as your optional. Okay. So many of you have been asking me many doubts. You'll be having, you want to take anthropology, but you have some doubts in your mind, right? So we'll see all those things. First of all, from syllabus point of view, the syllabus is very simple. Why? See, anthropology is study of human beings. Simply the study of human beings. Actually, all aspects of human being, a 360-degree approach of human beings. In the sense, you cover all the topics: political, economic, biological, and then historical, and then you talk about society, okay, application oriented, everything you study. So what happens is that this is, you're not going into so deep of any topic. It's very simple, understandable, and very easy also. Okay, so you can relate it with your day to day life, and it is very understandable. And the syllabus is actually comparatively small. If you compare with many other optional subjects, the syllabus is comparatively small, which you can actually finish it in, very short duration. Okay, so that is one important aspect in terms of anthropology, because when you finish it faster, the preparation, the learning process faster, you have more time for practice. So this is what is needed, especially for optionals. So when you practice more, it is very important. Okay, so you can enrich yourself, you can practice yourself, provided with the test batches, proper test batches and correction sessions, you will rock. And scope for convergence of optional and GS. How, ma'am? I'll tell you. Your society paper, social justice, ethics, essay, preliminary examination, because in 2019 alone, you got so many questions on tribes, PVTGs, etc. So you just can see your optional should actually help you in GS. Your optional should not pull you back from GS. Okay, so that is very much available in in anthropology. How? See, in essay writing, in society, in social justice topics and all, in ethics also, almost in every topic in mains, you will have a unique answer writing compared to any other optionals. Okay, you cannot bring other optionals into the GS, but you can actually bring anthropology into your GS papers, provided with the proper knowledge of how to, mix your anthropological ideologies in your GS paper. You can really write unique answers, and you can also bring your GS into anthropology. Okay, so when we write about tribal people, obviously we will study about tribal people. We'll study about, position of women in the society. We'll study about dowry, marriage system, kinship, family, political organizations, everything. Everywhere you can just use some example from GS. You can use the schemes and policy you study in the current affairs. So you have the interconvergence. Okay, it's easy that you can combine and compare the GS and optionals. Your optional should always be your strength. It should not be your weakness. In that point of view, anthropology will be a very good strength for you. It will, push your marks up. It will boost your presentation. It will boost your way of thinking. That is the best thing. Okay, it's not like you can just write the content here and there. No, the thinking process will start changing. Okay, so in the syllabus point of view, it's very simple, comparatively small. That's needed, right, guys? Apart from all these things, we need mark scoring. That is true. We should definitely accept it. In that point of view, when you have a comparatively small syllabus, you have more time for practice, you have more time for refining yourself, you have more time for presentation strategies. So, in that way, this is the best. Coming to learner subject interface. Ma'am, mark is there, small, everything is fine. First of all, I should like the subject, right? In that point of view, it's very interesting because you're going to study about yourself. Okay, So we see a day-to-day problem in lives, like how a family system is. The family system, some people find it very good, some people find it, not in line with your thoughts. And we'll be studying about different world cultures. You will have a very different point of view. It's very interesting. Some facts which we don't even, expect you might be facing here. Okay, so we will be thinking about the position of women in a different point of view. But when you start studying anthropology, you will start seeing it in a completely different point of view. Not just women, even the position of men. People are not talking about the position of men. But in anthropology, we'll also talk about position of men. You will see the linkage between the biology and culture. You will see the linkage between geography and culture. You will see the linkage between religion and economic activities. Obviously, yes, religion and economic activities are linked. Your point of view will change. See, life changing really is. It will be life changing. When you are religiously preparing for anthropological optional, your life will change, guys. I'm not just, exaggerating. I have, experienced that life changing thing. The major problems in this world is because of ethnocentrism. What is ethnocentrism, ma'am? See, ethnocentrism is a thought that the ethnic group I belong to is the best. Okay, that's not even the problem. But people start emphasizing that the culture they belong to, the ethnic group they belong to is the best, and they start trying to suppress the other ethnic groups. That is why we face so many issues like, the linguistic problems, communalism, racism. All these things are because of ethnocentrism. So when you are having the thought process, everybody will have that in their own mind without even unaware that they are ethnocentric in nature. Okay, so the degree of ethnocentrism is making them, behave in a different aspects. But when you are completing the anthropology, when you study the anthropology, finally you will have a different point of view. You won't be ethnocentric. You'll be, you'll be culturally relative. How culturally relative? You will start respecting other cultures. You will start seeing the world with a different point of view. You will start understanding everything around you. Okay, I'm not actually exaggerating. I was having a different point of view before studying anthropology. Okay, I thought the culture I belonged to is the best. I was criticizing many people around me. I started criticizing about the dress people wear. I started criticizing about people's food culture. I started criticizing about the way they speak. Everything was different. But after studying anthropology, I understood. Okay, because the better understanding of you will help you the better understanding of the world. So when you finish the anthropological preparation, anthropological classes, you'll have a better understanding about your life. So when you understand, obviously your life will change. Okay, next, easy to understand. See, when it is very much relative to your, day-to-day incidents. Obviously Indian culture is very giving very good importance to social institutions like family, marriage. Okay, and then kinship. What is money to west is kin to east. So the eastern countries are giving more importance to kinship. We'll see why money is best to the west and why kinship is better to the east. All these things we'll be seeing. So it is very easy to understand. It's not that complex, guys. You'll start understanding when I explain you with what is behind it. Very simple and, related to day-to-day incidents. You can write examples from what you just study in the newspaper. What you just learn interestingly. It's like, some facts we just go and search in Google. Okay, because of interest. That point will actually help you in anthropology. Some fun facts we will be searching that tribal people are having, you know this ritual, very interesting ritual. These people are having this ritual, this following. They are expert in this handicrafts. Everything you can actually use it for anthropology. Okay, in India itself we can see different cultures. Okay, we can understand tribal people. And you will also start knowing one thing. Many people think that tribal cultures are primitive. Obviously, some cultures are primitive, but some cultures are very much advanced than what we actually think. They have a better view of their world, and they have a better view of society than, non-tribal people who think themselves they are, very much advanced. The technological advance doesn't mean we have a very better life. Okay, but Many tribal people are living way better life compared to non-tribal people. That all you will understand, when you start studying anthropology. And then mark scoring perspective. Ma'am, this is all fine, ma'am. You can tell me like the subject is very interesting, everything is fine. But will I get marks? Obviously, you will get very good marks. So these are the examples of top marks in the last 2 years. Okay, 2019, the mark sheets are not released. So I am just presenting you the marks. See here, these are all the top marks. Okay, so compare with other subjects also, but they are very pretty good marks. 339 out of 500, 318 out of 500, 362 out of 500, 335, 331. This can be your marks, guys. Even who knows, better marks than this also is possible if you properly prepare according to how should be preparing, how to present all these things. You can do it very well. Okay, so your optional mark should boost up your total score like anything. Okay, it should be a boost in every aspect. And most importantly, anthropology will not stress you more in your preparation process. Instead, it will relax you. It will start making your brain more active. Okay, because when you study something interesting, obviously you'll start thinking about it. Okay, you'll start applying it in your life, you'll start applying it in your answer writing. Your essay paper will be awesome. Okay, so once there was a question related to love and knowledge is equally important for life. So I just wrote like, obviously love and knowledge is equally important, and knowledge of man is an accumulated knowledge. Okay, so human beings have, when you see something, when you see a flower, it is so colorful, so attractive also, we have some fear. Okay, why this flower is somewhat disturbing to me, because that flower might be venomous. It's a accumulated knowledge. At the same time, the love and affection has been making human beings successful. We are all social animals. And one important concept why we are successful, obviously there are many animals who form, bigger groups. Okay, bigger 100, 40 are possible. But why human beings are more successful? We are so vulnerable creatures. We can't run fast. We can't fly. We can't swim. We don't have fur to protect ourselves from cold. We can't hunt, alone. We don't have claws, our canines are not strong, but still we prove to be the most successful organism on this earth. How? Because of our societal formation, because of our group formation. We can even manage thousands, what thousands, millions, billions. Today the world itself is connected as one group. Yes or no? Through internet. That's possible. But you can't have a room with 100 dogs or 100 chimpanzees together. Obviously they won't be harmony with each other, but human beings are doing that because our social knowledge is, our social acceptance factor is very, very better. That is why, the human beings cannot survive when they are, when they are kept away from their society. Solitary confinement. Why solitary confinement is given as important, a punishment? Okay, a dog can survive alone in solitary confinement if you give proper food. If only one person is talking to the dog can survive. Animals can survive, fish can survive. You have this fish bowl, the fish can survive, but human beings cannot survive in solitary confinement. It is the greatest punishment given to them because we are all social animals. We study about our society in anthropology. We study about our culture in anthropology. We study about biology in anthropology, genetics, everything we study about. Some people will ask me, ma'am, I don't have biology background. Can I choose anthropology? Obviously, you can choose anthropology because the biology here is will be like 10th standard and 12th standard level, not more than that. It's not like college level, UG level. The basic biology, the basic genetics, the basic application is more than enough. Okay, what is life expectancy? We'll be studying about what is racism. You are going to study about almost everything about human beings, so you have more content, you have more knowledge about us. That is one good thing about anthropology. And along with that, you are going to learn something interesting, and I'm giving mark for you. Is there any problem in that? Obviously no. It's really good, right? It's interesting and mark scoring. Then what else we want? At the same time, there is a scope for scoring marks. How? Possibility for unique answers. Because it's not like only one example or two example exists. There are n number of example exist. You can just search and write, examples of all the topics. For all the topics, your answer will be definitely unique, because not much people are opting for anthropology. Few people now. Anthropology is like, increasing. The interest in anthropology is increasing now. At the same time, you can give more interesting examples, because I told you already, the paper corrector will not know you. Your paper is your face. So you should only impress that person with your interesting examples. And proper guidance is also available for anthropology. Test batch, classes, everything is available. Scope for showcasing the depth of knowledge, how much you know. Pictorial representation, pictorial scope for pictorial representation is very high. You can just draw a very small, neat presentation where you can show, what is there in the content. Very easy representation, easy understanding, mark scoring. This is all you want in an optional. Okay, so that I'm just giving you the basic understanding of this. When you go start understanding the syllabus, even more you will understand why anthropology is the best. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can just ask me, guys. I'm very happy to help you. I chose anthropology because the syllabus, just attracted me. I found it very interesting, the syllabus very interesting. That's why I chose anthropology. So we have also discussed how to choose anthropology. In that, I chose anthropology because of all those things. It's a mark scoring subject, simple and, very easy to understand and interesting to learn, and obviously, very small and simple. Okay, so thank you so much. And if any doubts, please do ask me. So we will discuss more on anthropology from now onwards. Okay, thank you so much. Share this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel where you will be getting more classes in anthropology, and use my code SUBA. You will get a 10% of discount in your subscription fee. Okay, thank you so much. Happy meeting you all. We'll learn more things in anthropology class. We will start changing our perspective beautiful about this world and about human beings. Fine. So when you start understanding about human beings, you will start understanding about world even more better. And we will be all, good human beings finally. Fine. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Meet you all again. Bye. Take care.